Penyesalan seumur hidup. Not bring top tripod. Cause it's shaky, I'm sorry. I don't bring any tripod. I use my phone. Hola.
Hola, hola, bagi.
Ya sabar Heng Mami.
Bagi. Ini ya.
Mami no.
Kan mua lại cũng này.
Tôi lấy mà rồi.
Wah, ini makan es krim paling hijau banyak. Wah, hebat nih. Banyak.
Boleh. Kalau chả đi chụp
Hi guys, it's night time already, and this is going. Oh, this is not kinda. This is kinda going to be the last day. Well, today is 20. Berapa what?
20.
This is your daddy panty. I will crop that.
Aspirin bread. Silky. Sexy.
Hola.
Hola, Oniro.
Hola. Notice the camera, please. I think
This is your mommy, bruh. Sexy.
Parents German now. So my parents went to Grass and we got this new ring light, so classic. And we bought a lot of new stuff. You can see over there, there are a lot of new stuff over there. Mango, H&M, Giordano, and then another and Esprit, yes, Esprit, a expensive brand for sure. And my father is on the bathroom and smoking. So we are going to kind of say goodbye tomorrow to the Malaysia. Yeah, no. And I'm going to show you guys what I book later on another, you know, like. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys what I booked at Malaysia later. What I booked, yeah, at Malaysia later on. Maybe after these clips and stuff. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys after those clips. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Daddy.
Mami pintu perbesar. Ya kan? Delay dah. Bosya. 我啷个呀？
佢攞點整嗰啲烤法啊。媽媽嗰時茶點嚟呢邊試點呢個冇。
Our flight got delayed. Damn, delayed.
Babi, famous Amos. Kilo kayak gini. Famous Amos sinapi. Habis itu walang tuh tiap gantungan kunci siya wang. Pek kon kui. Yeah.
隨便啦你。
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it is the vlog. So as you can see in the previous clips, you can see a lot of like my vlog, traveling stuff. And in here I'm going to show you guys what I booked. Oh yes, what I booked at Penang, Malaysia. So I booked the stuff. Rings. This is the Vinci. I bought all these rings from Vinci, and they're very, very cute rings. They're very, very cute, and I really like it. Like trendy these days, like half of your hand. That is what I know. And makeup for sure. I don't want to buy too much makeup, so I've just booked this like hourglass primer and the Benefit. I think so cute, so pretty, and I just make this go down one, and it's so cute. This little glassy stuff. I want to buy the big one, but when I went there and they said that there are no big size ones. I really asked them and asked them, where is the hourglass section? And they said we have no hourglass section. And I thought like, it's not hourglass. So what is this? And I'm like, never mind. This is also cute. And I wanted to buy NYX product, but there are no NYX product over there. They're only stuff. They don't have the eyeshadow, like the perfect filter, and the angel veil primer. So I'm like, pretty sad. And I bought this. And you see me using this on the other video, Carry with me in a vlog. You can see me wearing this. It's really tiny, and I think like it's pretty okay. And then I bought new glasses from Vinci Accessories. I think really good brand over there. Not bad. Okay, I bought. Say hello to my new glasses. Okay, I'm going to show you this. How it looks. So this is what it looks like with a circle and this kind of the thick border. I don't know what this I'm saying it. And that's pretty good. And I bought with my sister two for 40 ringgit. That is not bad. And these 5 here for 39 ringgit. So it's not bad. Pretty good price point. And I saw one glasses. Doesn't have like this one. It's so expensive. Like how much I forgot. Really expensive though. Oh, like 79 ringgit. I can buy a new foundation already. Okay, next is going to be clothes. Okay, finally clothes. This is from Esprit, and this is the extra small size. You guys want a little bit, but it's the extra small size. And yeah, it's like L to me. big perfect with me, and I'm going to wear it tomorrow with my friend when I'm hanging out with my friend. It's really cute, like sweater, it's so fluffy, and it's kind of velvety. There are two colors. The one is Saturday, it's more like dark navy blue, and this is the gray, the pinkish one. So yeah. Okay, so I bought some stuff from Mango also, Mango and then H&M, but I can't really show you guys the H&M pants because I kinda wash it already, so I can't. I'm so sorry. But I just have few stuff from Mango that I haven't washed yet. Okay, I bought pretty much a lot of stuff. And I forgot what it is. Okay, this is from Mango. Is this kind of shirt? Okay. And this kind of puppy, doggy, a lot of dogs over here. It's really cute, like more like boy style. I don't know, like there's a lot of dogs over here, so cute. And like it's pretty big because I think they make dog because this year is going to be dog year, no Chinese stuff. Yeah, I think it's pretty good and I really like it. This one catches my eyes a lot. Found this. Okay, I found this one. So dope. When I saw this, I'm like, okay, I need that. Okay, I found this and I see this little ball over here. Oh my god, it's like really like GD, I think GD one. Like plain white like this. But what makes it really cool is this. And then this pink. I don't really like pink, but my dad told me to use one pink in my wardrobe. To have one pink in my wardrobe, and not one pink. A really pastel pink like this. So yeah, I decided to buy one because my dad told me to. Just going to try, and it looks good. I mean, very serious. Right. Okay, I have my H&M. I don't know what is this. I forgot. I'm going to put the picture later on the on the video because I can't really show it because it's washed. I know washed it. My maid washed it, so yeah, I can't really take it out. Because you have to be really fast. And yeah, so I think Giordano. I read Giordano's trainer like pants, like sport pants, like trainer and stuff, and then long like thin blouse. I don't know how to say that. Okay, just like that. And then for the pants, I bought two from Mango, and one is like really velvet, almost like velvet. It's really soft and fluffy, and then the pants also has the belt on it. So I'm not going to insert the picture later on. Okay, so that's all for today's vlog. I'm so thankful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys have any suggestions or whatever is that. Just comment, okay? And smash that like button. I don't appreciate it. And then subscribe to me and click the notification bell. Okay, click the notification bell so you guys can get more information. But you guys can get to watch earlier. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog, in the next video. Bye bye.